Today let's learn how to log in to your Hotmail email. So if you also want to use your Hotmail as your email to send in or receive emails, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Now either you can do it through the mobile app or the website of Outlook. For this video we're going to use the mobile app, so you must first download this application called Outlook onto your mobile phone. Once this app has been downloaded, you can now open up the app, tap on add account, and then fill in the details. So firstly, you can either log in using your email address or you can also log in using your Google account. So firstly, type in your email if you're trying to log in using your email, and then tap on continue. In the next section, it's going to ask you to type in the password. So if you don't remember the password to your account, you can easily reset it by tapping on forgot password. If you do remember it, type it in and then tap on sign in. And there you go, as easy as that, you have been now successfully logged in to your Outlook or your Hotmail account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.